Hello, boys and girls, it's Miss Christina. Today we are going to read Pamela Duncan Edwards' Warthogs in the Kitchen, a sloppy counting book. Warthogs in the Kitchen, a sloppy counting book by Pamela Duncan Edwards. Warthogs in the Kitchen, a sloppy counting book, written by Pamela Duncan Edwards, illustrated by Henry Cole. One little chef thinks he'll cook today. 2 clean hooves, all the germs washed away. I want to help, I won't make a mess. Better find some measures, we can't just guess. 3 cake makers, read the book to check how. 4 scoops of sugar should go in now. There's something in the bowl that shouldn't be there. Get out this instant, you greedy little bear. 5 scoops of butter, beat and beat some more. 6 cracked eggs, how many on the floor? I found a jar of pickles, should pickles go in too? Pickles in cupcakes? Well, perhaps just a few. 7 scoops of flour should make the mixture just right. 8 pink tongues lick lips at the sight. Put them in the cupcake pans, let's each have a turn. Pop them in the oven, don't let them burn. 9 minutes cooking and our cakes will be ready. 10 cupcakes, the 2 tiny ones for Teddy. 0 cakes left, they're down in each tummy. We're excellent cooks. Those cupcakes were yummy! The end.